Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Students working on a project together usually work on their own systems and use various means to connect with each other and wait for the response. To make such processes simpler, students at IIT Ghaziabad came up with a solution. A real-time online code editor through which teams can work and collaborate.
We are Team Codex and we have created Codex which has a real-time collaborative IDE. So the problem statement that we have started while we were first year students, that when we want to ask a problem to a senior or a professor or anyone who knows the coding, what we have to do, we have to send WhatsApp messages to them, we have to go to their places to ask the problem. So what we have decided to create an online code editor or IDE which has the facility where we can create a room where we will join the room, the person will join the room, and we can collaborate on a single code algorithms. So what we have created, this is the Codex, which is the project that we have built. So in this feature, what we have all the features which has the facility of an online code editor, but we have a special thing, that is creating a room. So this is the thing. So what we have created a room. Now what we do, we will simply share the room ID, we will copy this, and the person will send the room ID to another person who is known, has the knowledge of solving that problem. Now I have got the room ID, I will copy it and I will simply paste it here. Now the room ID is pasted, I will enter my name, and I simply join the room. Now all the three laptops, as you can see, Sumit has joined the room. Now all the three laptops are connected and we are currently working on a simple program. Now all the changes that I will do on this laptop or this laptop or this laptop will get reflected on all the laptops, which will create a collaborative environment for better coding practices and helping purpose. So we don't encourage AI or ChatGPT for solving the problems for fresh students. So what we can simply do, we will create a room. Now there is a simple program, this is a simple JavaScript program to console log hello world. But if I have a problem, I forgot to add a semicolon here. Now you can see it gets reflected on all the laptops that we have a semicolon missing. Now if we add a semicolon at this place, now you can see semicolon is added to all the places. Now what we can see is we can simply run the code on all this. So this is the debugging console. So each developer will have his own developing console, and you can see there is the output that yes, we have hello world. But what we can also change the languages. So we have total 7 languages support: JavaScript, TypeScript, Python, Java, CPP, C#, and PHP. So you can code in all the languages. You can also simply save the code. Now if I save the code is getting saved to our database. So whenever you join from this room ID, will be redirected to this place only. We are adding the feature where you can see all your previous room IDs, and you can see that from here as well. We also have different practices, like you can also use the white mode. Dark mode is not applicable to all the developers. You can use the custom input to add inputs. So there is the room where all the 3 persons are there. You can share the room, you can debug the code, you can add the custom input. So these are all the features that we have in our IDE.
This online code editor can also be used professionally and can be of great help to the developers as well.
So many developers who are currently working on a company, they also have doubts. They can clear their doubts with their colleagues, their bosses, their managers. So they don't need to use the WhatsApp or any other messaging apps to share the code. They can simply, so suppose my colleague is known, who is a person who knows React, and I don't know the React that well. So I will simply paste my code that has error, and my colleague can fix this, and I can simply copy that complete code and I can use it in my project. So it can be commercialized as well. We have currently 100 users who are juniors, seniors, and other persons who are currently using this project. So this is a live project. We have deployed this on AWS. We have the URL, so you can simply type this and you can use this project as well.